India is gearing up for a landmark moment in its space journey on the evening of Sunday, 2nd November. At 5:26 p.m., ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organisation, will conduct a major launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Sriharikota, a mission that places one of the country's heaviest and most advanced communication satellites into orbit. This mission not only reflects India's expanding technological abilities in space but also highlights the growing importance of secure, high-capacity communications for national needs. The satellite being launched today is a state-of-the-art communication platform built to support high-bandwidth, multi-band connectivity, covering the Indian mainland as well as the vast stretch of the Indian Ocean region. Once operational, it will significantly strengthen communication networks used across the nation, including strategic maritime communication systems. Ships, aircraft, coastal facilities and island territories are expected to benefit from more robust, high-quality links thanks to this satellite. To carry this heavy payload, ISRO is relying on its trusted heavy-lift vehicle, the LVM-3, a rocket known for its strong lifting capability and proven reliability. Often called the Bahubali of Indian rockets, LVM-3 has already delivered several major missions, and today's operation further expands its track record. The vehicle will place the satellite into a geosynchronous transfer orbit, after which the satellite's onboard systems will carry it to its final orbital position. This mission also marks another step in India's steady progress towards self-reliance in satellite launches. For many years, extremely heavy communication satellites required foreign launch services. With LVM-3 now handling such payloads from Indian soil, the country is reducing dependence on outside agencies and strengthening its own space infrastructure. Preparations for today's mission have been underway for weeks, from assembly of the launch vehicle to integration of the satellite. Subsystem testing, fueling, and final flight rehearsals. The countdown has progressed smoothly, with all major systems cleared for launch. As the clock edges closer to the scheduled liftoff time, the rocket stands fully ready on the launch pad, waiting for the final command sequence. For viewers across the country, today's launch represents more than a technological event. It is a reminder of India's growing capability in space and the dedication of thousands of scientists, engineers and technicians who make such missions possible. ISRO will broadcast the launch live, allowing the public to witness every moment from ignition to ascent. As the engines roar to life at 5:26 p.m., India will once again take a confident step forward in its space ambitions, reinforcing its place among the world's leading spacefaring nations. To follow news like this, subscribe to our channel, our state, our nation, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.